go the same side. This is if I'm crossing, bring my hip back, and go right again. The thing about this is, very important, one of the best ways is to go low, back. But here's the thing, when I'm doing these kind of combinations, it's breaking my opponent's rhythm. So let's look at just the basics of that, the most important part. When I'm throwing the cross, and you should already have a good idea how to do a cross, shoulder protecting one side of my face, left hand protecting the other side of my face. But as my hip retracts, that's what happens. This helps your technique to get those crosses back, to get snappy back. Because I can be here, here. So application of the technique. So very important with breaking rhythm. What do we mean by that? Generally, if I'm throwing a lot of 1-2s, okay, 1-2, and now we go cross. Do you see what that already did?
Yeah, I moved to block it, thinking it was the same speed pattern, and I missed, and he hit me.
So exploding that hip, exploding that center. I'm gonna go fast. See how I just went low right after? Or doubling it up. We're gonna get into other combinations with the rear hand, specifically cross, uppercut, cross, hook. But for now, we're just working on the cross, work on that technique. It's very effective.